We provide janitorial services for commercial buildings and retail stores. To be honest with you, I didn't like it that much because it was something between phone calls, and emails. But the fact that they would promise you things and they would never deliver, So I paid a lot of money for leads that actually never happened. But that's a little bit different with you guys. It's more steady, more consistent. I have submitted proposal for a lot of different clients, and I've gotten quite a few jobs, to be honest with you. And I think you guys do a tremendous job, and I like it. It was probably on the second month when you guys started working for me. It was a rehab center for wealthy people. That one was closed, and I still have that account. And one account I am still working on, but I acquire certain services for this client. I'm just waiting for the whole package. Let's say I'm on probation per se, so they're testing me, and I'm on probation, and I think it's been 2 months that I started providing services. So I think it's going to happen. So